Hello. How are you all doing today? Now don't mind me, I'm just hoovering. Yes. Yeah, it's good hoovering. So, as you can probably tell, welcome to my new room. Yes, I have redecorated. Let me show you around. So, I've got this nice new clock. It's pendulum. My mirror. My door is now a lock. I have put a lock in my room. I have put a mattress, but that's downstairs. The only reason I'm not sleeping in it today is because I've got no blinds. I've got no bloody blinds! Because the other one fell off. I didn't break it, I promise. So today we're going to learn how to use a Hoover. Great! So, step one, make sure you have a Hoover. Step number two, make sure, goodness me, make sure your Hoover is plugged in. Mind the ball. Step number three, turn on Hoover. Warning, it can be loud. Now, as you can see, the bit at the end, the head, sweeps up all the dirt. Did you know that? No, of course you didn't. But let me show you what else it can do. It's also got a plunger, so this is the sucker. Isn't it funny, the sucker? Oh, that's enough of that. Oh, Jesus Christ. So, yes, this is how you Hoover things. With this, if you take this little sucker and this head, plop it back into place, you will hear a click. I haven't broken the Hoover, it's just not working. It will work. It works! Time for hoovering! Maybe we should make up a song for hoovering, shouldn't we? The Hoover song. We will have to think about that, won't we? Good idea. The best thing about not having blinds, I can look at everyone outside. Look at that. I found a car. Yes, I think I like this. That's going. Remember our bulb video? Well, unfortunately this is going because I'm getting another new light and ceiling fan. And the floor. Don't tell anyone, but it's about 20 years old and I'm going to be getting some wooden flooring in. So yeah. Anyway, bye!